Samsung has officially confirmed the launch schedule for the highly anticipated One UI 7 update, which is set to bring major improvements to Galaxy smartphones. The rollout will start on April 7 for the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, the update won't be available to all users at the same time, as Samsung follows a phased rollout strategy. For those in Europe, India, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Mexico, New Zealand, Algeria, Egypt, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Tunisia, UAE, and several other regions, the update will start rolling out on April 7. Meanwhile, users of the USA and Canada can expect it on April 10, while those in Malaysia and Singapore will receive it on April 14. Since Samsung releases software updates in phases, some users may get One UI 7 sooner than others. Carrier approvals, device models, and region-based schedules can impact when the update reaches your phone. If you're eager to experience the new features without waiting for an automatic update, you can manually check for it by opening the Settings app, selecting Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. This way, you can see if it's available for your device. One UI 7 brings some of the biggest changes in years, improving the overall look and usability of Samsung's software. The Quick Panel and Notifications section have been redesigned for a cleaner and more modern appearance. The app drawer is now easier to navigate, making app organization more convenient. A key improvement in this update is smoother animations when opening and closing apps, giving users a more polished experience. Samsung has also introduced an advanced blur engine that enhances the overall aesthetic, making the interface look sharper and more refined. One of the standout additions is the Now Bar and Now Brief, designed to provide important notifications and real-time updates without interrupting what you're doing. Samsung has also focused on making Galaxy AI even smarter, integrating new AI-powered tools that improve performance and efficiency. This means that Galaxy devices will not only look better, but also function more seamlessly, learning user preferences and adapting accordingly. Beyond visual and performance improvements, Samsung has worked on making One UI 7 more intuitive. The camera app, for example, has been redesigned with a new layout inspired by Vision OS, making key features more accessible while refining the overall user interface. Another major focus of this update is power efficiency. With all the added features and visual upgrades, Samsung has optimized battery performance to ensure that users can enjoy a better experience without sacrificing battery life. After completing the rollout for the latest flagship models, Samsung will shift attention to older devices. While the company hasn't officially revealed a full list of eligible phones and tablets, it is expected that several Galaxy S and Galaxy A series models will receive the update in the coming weeks. Devices like the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S22 series, Galaxy A54, and Galaxy A34 are likely to be among the next to get the update. As with previous One UI versions, Samsung is expected to share a detailed schedule for these devices soon. For those using Samsung smartphones, One UI 7 promises a smoother experience with an improved design, better animations, and AI-driven enhancements. While some users will receive the update early, others may have to wait a little longer depending on their region and carrier. You can always check for updates manually in the settings if you're eager to get it as soon as possible. Are you excited about One UI 7? Let me know in the comments which feature you're looking forward to the most. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.